I remember you well in the Chelsea hotel. You were talking so brave and free, giving me head on the unmade bed while the limousine waited in the street. And those were the reasons that was New York. We were fighting for the money and the flesh, and that was called love. The workers in song probably still list with those of them left. You got away, didn't you, baby? Just turned your back on the crowd. You got away. I never once heard you say I need you. I don't need you. I need you. I don't need you. All of that jiving around. I remember you well in the Chelsea hotel. You were famous, your heart was a legend. You reminded me then you preferred handsome men. For me, you reminded me then you preferred handsome men. But for me, you might make an exception, raising a fist for the ones of us who are oppressed by figures of beauty. You fixed yourself and said, well, never mind, we are ugly, but we have the music. You got away, didn't you, baby? You just turned your back on the crowd. You got away. I never once heard you say I need you. I don't need you. I need you. I don't need you. All that jiving around. I don't mean to suggest that I loved you the best. I can't keep track of each fallen ramen, but I remember you well in the Chelsea hotel. That's all. I don't even think of you too often. Another one too. Saw the lights in the police car dance across the front yard, roll across your t-shirt. Oh, we ran out the back door. Never thought I heard my heart beat so hard before. I've never seen wild eyes like yours. Heard all the rumors about you. You dropped out of high school with your peanut butter Converse and your broken front tooth. Let them talk all they want, I don't care anymore. I've never seen wild eyes like yours. I never said you were my best friend. Was just someone who would listen. But it was you and me all summer long, down in your parents' basement. That was years ago. We're not those kids anymore. I've never seen wild eyes like yours. There's another one, not mine. His first two are Paul Baribeau. Well, sort of. The first one, Chelsea Hotel Number 2, written by Leonard Cohen. Second one is Wild Eyes by Paul Baribeau, what have you. And this one's Damien Jurado, right? Yeah. Running titles. So. You could mess up my life in a poem, have me divorced by the time of the chorus. You don't need to change any sentence when you always decide where I go next. Many nights you would hide from me, honey, and then you were not in tune with your progress. In the end, you're a fool like a journalist who turns what you sing into business. You could use to be more like your hero. Dark shade of damage, distortion, wearing death like a cape or a costume. Cut ties and leave town when you want to. When times I pass through the chamber or the room, you keep my replacements. So fed up, still you're starving on paper. You're no him, but he's you, only better. So leave me an exit to damage. I could use a ledge to jump off from. I wasn't lying when I said this was over. I have questions that lead to more questions. Running titles, you cut off my finger. Wrote about me on every new record. And I'll show up in a title of your song. I only hope somebody requests it. Oh. So what's it like for you in Washington? I've only seen photos of Washington. No, I'll never know. No. So leave me Manhattan, I want the evergreen. Write me a song I can sing in my sleep. Sure as the rain will fall where you stand, I want you and the skyline. These are my demands. of Washington, I'll never know. Look up my music, Coyote Crow, Fish Fingers and Custard. What up? Bleh, bleh, bleh. Up the crust punks, motherfucker. Here's like freezing. Here's one I wrote. There we go. If it's still recording, that's cool. If not, well, shit. I'm not one for begging, I'm not one for crying, but I feel like praying when I think I'm dying, but I'm not one for saying too many things. Every now and then I'll say something worth remembering. It goes, with my life I'll try, with my life I'll try. Try so many times, try to blow my mind. It's not how it goes, I forgot the old my lyrics. With my life I'll try, try so many times. With these hands of mine, I will light fires for the blind. Moments in your life, little things of seconds, compromise. You look back, can you say you tried? With my life I tried, try and follow my mind. Each and every time, try to remain just witty and kind as I can with all my mind.